Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a sweet 19 Bullitt Roush TVS Supercharged. I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and take a look. We've installed some other mods as well. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. But let's go check it out. All right, we're going to dig right in, look at the engine compartment, and I will put links in the description so you can click on it and see how much these parts cost. Of course, you email quote@brenspeed.com and you can say, hey, what's it cost to get built? But Doug, come down here, take a look. Same supercharger I have on my 19, the Roush. It's a 2650 intercooled. It's the Phase 2 kit. But we installed a set of long tube headers, rear cylinder head cooling kit, because I love cooling mods, as well as a custom tune. This car lays down over 700 rule horsepower on 93 octane through the manual. Watch this dyno video. Man, check out these numbers. I love them. I love the instant torque of the Roush. But you know what? I will put a link at the end of this video where you can watch another video of a 19 Bullitt running centrifugal. You can kind of like compare the numbers, compare the torque. But Doug, come over here. DynoJet SAE, 93 octane, 738 roll horsepower, 6,500 RPM. I love that. Torque is stellar, 636, 4,000 RPM. Solid torque across the curve. I love that, and that's why I love this supercharger, and that's why I have it on my 19. So if you have any questions, as always, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And don't forget the description. I have links to the parts we just talked about right here, the cooling mods, everything like that. There it is right there. 19 Bullitt, sweet car. I love it. It's awesome. Thanks for watching.